Describing the cultural quarter as action-packed doesn't really do it any justice. Within just a few metres, you have some of the town's best attractions. With over 500,000 guests each year, the Royal Derngate Theatre puts on a huge range of shows. From West End musicals, comedy and live bands, it will all be happening there. This is the Errol Flynn Filmhouse, home to 2 cinema screens that shows everything from old-fashioned films to new and up-and-coming blockbusters. And just a short walk from there, you'll find the Northampton Museum, the Northampton 9 Contemporary Art Gallery and 78 Derngate, a fascinating historic house that takes you back in time. After all that excitement, you'll need to sit down and relax. Luckily, the quarter is home to the best restaurants, bars and cafes in town. This is Buddy's, one of my favourite restaurants in Northampton. It's an American-style diner. They serve fantastic burgers, brilliant breakfast and fantastic chips. It's just around the corner from the Market Square, which is a 1-minute walk, so not too far at all.